Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, and this, like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. It's got a side entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. The door just slides right open. This ramp here is spring assisted. I can grab it here, pull it out just using one finger, take it to the ground. Extremely easy to do. That ramp itself is 30 inches wide. Coming inside the van is about 56.5 inches. Inside the van is 58 inches. Yes, this van is ADA compliant, so if you want to use it for a taxi or a nursing home or something like that, it does qualify. It's got these hard carbon fiber floors. I like these. They're very easy to keep clean. The back seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Got room for 3 back there. You see the tie down points. We do give away a free set of ratcheting tie downs with each van. Also, the front seats are easily removable. You can see the wheels on the bottom of the chairs there. You could actually pull this one out here if you wanted to and put a wheelchair up there and put a second one back here, so you can carry up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. Very clean van. Headliner's extremely clean. Up on the dash, we put a little carpet on here. This is designed for this dash, so it looks good, it fits good. It not only protects the dash, there's a couple holes drilled in this dash. That's really all it is, but they probably have some hardware mounted, probably used this for a taxi before. So we're just covering those up, still making it look nice. It's got steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Dual climate control, driver can be one temperature, passenger can be a second temperature, and the third set of passengers in the rear can be a third temperature. Overall, very clean van. It does not have the rear air controls. They took those out, I'm sure, because if you're using this for a taxi, you have the driver up front control all the air. So once you've got your passengers all secured, come back out, grab the ramp, reverse the process. Very easy to do. Grab the sliding door here, slide it shut, and you're ready to roll. The exterior of the van, you can see it has tinted windows in the rear. Give you some privacy year round and keep you nice and cool in the summertime. The body is actually very clean. It's got the steel wheels. These tires are all fair. They're going to need to be replaced before long. They're all, I believe, a couple Michelins on there. Kumho, so Kumho, however they say it. But overall, real clean van. It's not all dented up, and for the age and the miles, it looks extremely sharp. Hard to find a scratch or dent on this thing. It's just been extremely well kept. The interior is very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any unusual odors in this van. It's got this vinyl seating on both sides. Makes cleaning up any messes extremely simple. We cover these in plastic. Sometimes our mechanics will jump in one of these and move them. Sometimes they're all greasy and dirty. So hope you can see we're doing our very best to protect the van and keep it clean as possible. The van does also come with 2 sets of keys. You got the keyless entry here. You have a normal door key. If you want us to make you a second keyless entry, we can at your cost. I believe those are $199. So check with us. You see the current miles there, 169, 198. Van starts right up first time every time. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6. It idles smoothly, no signs of any damage. And what we had to do on this van, when we bought this van, we found out it had a bad transmission in it. We have replaced the transmission. We do have receipts for that. We just put a used transmission in it, but I believe the transmission had about 100,000 miles on it. Underneath the van, you can see it's very, very clean. No signs of any major leaks or anything like that. Relatively rust-free. I mean, there's some surface rust, but that's to be expected for a vehicle 5 years old. No matter who you buy from, make sure they're getting out and making you a video like this. Make sure they're crawling underneath the van. You can buy these vans for a dime a dozen up in New Jersey. I know some dealers up there. They sell these things dirt cheap, but they won't show you the underneath. And the reason is because they're all rusted out. Folks, you do not want rust problems. if they're too rusty, you cannot get them to pass inspection in most states. And if you can't get it to pass inspection, you can't get it tagged. If you can't get it tagged, you can't drive it. Folks, don't buy a van you can't drive. Know who you're buying from. Buy from a company like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We get out and we do videos of all our vehicles. You know, and if they won't do a video of the vehicle, then who are you buying from? Don't get swindled on the internet. So let's take the van out and take it for a test drive. Before we do that, I have my guys check all the windows, power mirrors, heat, air. It's power mirror over there, you can see it moving. This is not some van you come look at and it's got a bunch of issues with it. We've tested everything and it all works good. So let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive. I want to take it out on the highway so you can hear the engine run and the transmission shift and see that whether we ship this out to you or whether you come in and drive it home, that this van is roadworthy. A little bit of traffic. I've got up to almost 70, about 67 miles an hour. See if I can merge out here. But folks, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I want you to ask yourself, when you look at the competition, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have 100% positive feedback rating on eBay? Meaning we have over 500 reviews on eBay. All of them are positive, none of them are negative. Do they have hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Because we don't do that. We give you a free tag, a free paper tag, and we don't slide money in on the back end. That's not the way I do business. To me, that's shady business. I don't do business like that. Do they get out and make a video for you like we do? Well, obviously, you're watching it, so you know we do. Ask them why they don't. And if you're buying from individuals, folks, they don't answer to anybody. They can sell you anything. They can, don't have to provide a title. You really have to go chase them down in civil court. When you buy from a dealer, we answer to the state. If we do somebody wrong, we are held accountable. We can lose our license and we can be held even legally accountable. So I'm gonna give that hard brake here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual noise. Van brakes very nicely. So is it a brand new van? Obviously not. Is it a very nice van that runs and drives excellent and that I anticipate will make a wonderful van for you or your business for many years to come, as long as you take care of it? I believe so. The van, it's been well taken care of. It's not all beat up. It's very clean. And if you ever want to come look at one of our vehicles, please always call us and make an appointment first. I know your time is valuable. Call us, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Give me a call. Check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.